Ralph Bagnall here, Consulting Woodworker. And today I'm here to review these custom-turned drawer pull kits from Rockler. Now, I've been doing reviews here online for quite some time now, but this one is a little bit different. And there's no way that I can claim to be unbiased. You see, this particular kit is something that I came up with, and Rockler is now manufacturing and selling under license. So it's pretty exciting for me. But I'm still going to try to be as fair as possible, show you what's contained in the product, and give you some tips for getting the best results. So let's take a look. Now the first thing you're going to notice is the packaging itself. It's a little bit different. I kind of like it because if you're in a Rockler store and you're looking to buy one of these, you can actually see on the package whether you're buying the modern style or the traditional style of handle, and the other handle, the matching piece, is inside the little box here. There's a little box, and inside that you'll find the brass tube, the other standoff, and a pair of 832 screws for mounting it to your drawer front. And basically, this kit is used and made just like a pen turning kit. So you've got your 7mm brass tube, you're going to apply your wood blocks to it, and then turn them in whatever way you want, and then everything presses together. It's a pen kit. It uses the same kind of technology that you're used to in making the various turned pens. The difference is that this system allows you to create a custom turned pull in any species of wood, with any shape that you want, any way that you want. Now once you have your custom pulls, you may also want custom knobs as well to go with them. And there are knob kits, there's a traditional and a modern, that go with the pull kits. And so you can make your own knobs. It comes with the base and the fittings, and then you glue your own block of wood to it and put it all together. So you have the ability to make knobs and pulls custom to your project with the material you want and the design you want. The pulls are actually just like a pen turning kit. So you're going to need a mandrel for your lathe, and the standard stuff that you would have with a pen kit. And there's also a bushing set that Rockler sells. The wider part is 1/2 inch so that you can align everything to the actual pulls. So if you already have a 1/2 inch bushing set, you're all set, you're ready to go. If not, you can get this from Rockler. For the knobs, there is a mandrel. You can use Rockler's 3/4 inch mandrel. It has a 1/4 20 thread on the end of it, and your block of wood screws onto it. Or you can make your own. That's what I did, and you'll see that in the video as we go forward. As I stated earlier, these custom-turned pull kits work just like a pen turning kit. So I don't need to go into too much detail here. Epoxy the tube inside the blocks, let the epoxy dry, chuck it up on your mandrel, turn the shape you want, sand and finish. The knobs are just a little bit different. You can buy Rockler's 3/4 mandrel already made, or turn your own as I've done here. The knob blank gets a center hole, which is screwed onto the mandrel, and now can be custom turned to the shape you want. Assembling the turned pulls is very similar to pen assembly as well. The kit comes with a brass tube 4.5 inches long, which allows you to make your custom pulls up to 5.5 inches center to center. Unfortunately, that's a little bit big for my pen press. 3 or 4 inch pulls would be no problem. But the standoffs give you enough leverage that you don't really need a press in order to assemble your pull. Just add a small amount of epoxy inside the ends of the tube, and you can easily press the standoffs into the tube by hand. Just remember to align the standoffs so that they're in the same plane before the epoxy cures. Each kit comes with a 4.5 inch long 7mm brass tube, and the standoffs add another inch to the center-to-center distance for your finished pull, allowing you to easily make your pulls whatever length you want. Fancy and ornate, or sleek and modern, Rockler's new kits will allow you to add a custom touch to whatever project you're building. Find more great woodworking videos by visiting my website at www.consultingwoodworker.com.